Oh, that's right. You guys are here to see my empty apartment tour, right? That's right. Come on in, come on in. Come on in, make yourself at home. All right. So what's good, YouTube? Y'all, put my dog down. As you guys know, I made a big move literally just now. So I just got here today. So this is technically my empty apartment tour right here. Yeah, of course, like the movers, they just dropped off my couch and everything, but really, there's really nothing in here, really. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And basically, I'm just be showing y'all the new spot. As you guys, for some of you guys know, who don't know, we are in Dallas now. You know what I'm saying? I've been keeping my location hidden for a minute. I wanted it to be a surprise. Some of y'all thought I was going to Houston. Some of y'all thought I was going to Cali, Miami. You know what I'm saying? Don't count those places out, though. We might go there in the future, but something about Dallas that was calling my name. So further ado, let's hop straight into it. All right, so first, as you guys see, first walk in, you got this door right here. They have not given me the keys to this door yet. That's a closet. I don't even know what that looks like yet, all right? Next, coming over here, we got the washer and dryer, which is good. I'm so excited that I have a washer and dryer because I'm lazy and I don't like to go to the laundromat. Now, before we get into more of the apartment tour, I know some of you guys sometimes struggle to make extra bread on the side of your 9-to-5 job or whatever you do in general. And while my channel was down, this is how I was able to make extra bread to keep extra gas in my car and food in the crib. Now, it's an app called Free Cash where you can literally scan the QR code right there or click the link in the description and you can win money just from playing games on your phone. And this is what I did to keep gas in my car and extra food too. Now, I'm not gonna say it makes you rich or anything, but who could use the extra 20 to 50 extra dollars maybe a day, every 2 days, a week, whatever. It just all depends on how many games you play, to be honest. So go ahead, man, scan the QR code, click the link in the description, play the games, download the games, and win some free cash. It's literally free. Come on now, it's no risk. What you got to lose? Back to the video. Let's come over here. We got the kitchen. As you guys can see, got the lights underneath. They already built in, they already installed. So I'm big fan of that. We got the cabinets and everything. There's nothing, there's nothing in here. Nothing in here. See what's in my freezer. I went to the store. I got a couple things just to make sure I don't go like, I ain't starving or nothing. But ain't nothing in there either, really. Then refrigerator. As you can see, water, Body Armor, Gatorade, for now, basics. And my snacks though, I did make sure I got me some snacks though, you know what I'm saying? Just in case, like, you know, just in case somebody want to come over, they got some snack on, whatever. But I don't even let people come over my crib. Y'all know, like, back when I lived at the crib, back when I lived in Illinois, nobody even knew I still live in Illinois. They'd be like, bro, do you still live here, bro? Like, where do you even live at? Because nobody never came over my crib. No one knew where I lived at. And that's probably still how it's gonna be. So, yo, we got the microwave, we got the stove right here, cabinets, of course, nothing in there, of course. We got my little fryer. I don't know how to cook like that. I need to learn how to cook, you know what I'm saying? Especially this kitchen is nice. I might want to start a cooking channel or something, so I need to learn how to cook. Now, this is my favorite part of the crib. Probably gonna be a lot of people's favorite part. Now, this countertop is marble, bro, I love it. It's like, it's right in the middle. That's why I picked this apartment. When I first seen this apartment, bro, I'm like, yeah, this is the one, because it's just like, it's perfect. You know what I'm saying? You got the little space where you can, you know what I'm saying? You can maneuver around a little bit. So this is my favorite part. Next, we got the living room. Of course, I already had most of the stuff in my old apartment, like that picture right there. We got a gray couch, little 3-seater. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be asking me where I got that from. Custom made by on Temu. You can literally get that on Temu, bro. I think I paid like $13 for it. My last apartment did not have a balcony, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and take a look. And first off, it is hot as fuck in Texas, bro. Like, why? Like, I knew it was hot, but not hot at 7 a.m. in the morning. Like, you gotta stay hydrated in Texas again. This SOC, but, and then we got a dog park over there. Like, I'm so happy for that, because, bro, I never had a place to walk my little dog, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. And then as y'all can see, still got this from the old crib. My stand, TV stand. Got a little 65-inch TV. All that, you know, close that up. But yeah, so this is the living room. Oh, got a new addition right here. That video hit 1 million views, man. Shout out to if you guys want to know how to get one of these made, let me know in the comment section or hit me up on Instagram. She does really good. She's fast too. Like, I got this in like 2 days. I know all this is from the old apartment. You know what I'm saying? I got 2 bar stools right here. You know, y'all see I got the whiteboard just in case, you know what I'm saying, when I'm cooking up the video ideas. You know what I'm saying? That's little shit. That's just that's for sure. This from the old apartment, of course. Most of all this stuff is like from the old apartment. Those are 2 chairs in there, 2 bar stool chairs. I got 2 more, so just in case, like, man, it might be a night where I got the guys over or something, but they might come from out of town. Make sure everybody got somewhere to sit. Let's go to the bedroom. Let's go to the bedroom. Now, the bedroom probably gonna be the most boringest part just because I only sleep in here. Like, and but let me get some light in here too. Let me get some light in here. And then I still gotta put up my my curtain as well. I still gotta put up my curtain. I did not put that up yet. So yeah, it's the bedroom right here though. This is crazy, bro. Like, these are like my little medals right here. I think this is my favorite one. Y'all see this one from all the way back from 2015. Y'all didn't even know, like, I played ball my whole life. And this was the Derrick Rose tournament. We went up in Chicago. We got first place. Like, that was big back in the day, like stuff like that. Rest in peace, my boy Tommy. Man, we won the Tommy tournament for my city. You know, so much different other stuff, bruh. But like all these medals, they'll follow me everywhere I go. And then I got me and my brother right here. That's my big brother. And then me and my sister right here. I always take these wherever I go as well. You know what I'm saying? I never forget them, of course. You know, I'm gonna miss my family, but you know, I had to take that risk though. But yeah, that's my little dresser though. Got my memories. Simple bed, black covers, whatever, can't go wrong. This right here, this is where I'm gonna start streaming, bro. I'm gonna start streaming. I gotta get a PC, but I'm probably gonna be doing most of my head talk videos right here. So yeah, this the bedroom. It's pretty small. It's cool, but I like it though. I'm a guy. I'm real simple. Now let's come over to the bathroom though, because the bathroom connects to the room. This is another one of my favorite spots right here. Like, first off, come on, the bathroom is hella spacious. Like, this thing is crazy. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, I'm just playing. But yeah, then we got the shower right here. You know, look nice in there. Y'all see what's going on. Shower look nice. Marble top. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Then let me play the light a little bit. You know, they got this up under here. That's nice. I like that. That's cool. So yeah, now this is my 3rd favorite spot. Now let me know. I got an idea for this closet. I was thinking about making a whole nother channel called Reese's Closet, right? Where I just do talks about random shit in the closet. Now I know it's gonna be one weirdo in the comment section that's gonna say some off the wall stuff. I'm not gonna go at no communities or anything, but I'm already knowing, because y'all know people be weird, but this is the closet right here, bro. This thing is huge. Like, well, it's not big to some of y'all, but from where I'm from, this shit big as hell. So yeah, I might just put a chair right here, throw my kickstand up, and just have some random talks about random topics, ideas. If y'all want me to do that, bro, let me know for sure. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? I got my shoes all in here, got my bags. You know what I'm saying? Oh, all of these black trash bags, these are all my clothes. All my clothes still in here. Like I said, I just got here. I just got here today though, so I only feel like taking all my shoes out and stuff. But y'all gonna see, like, when I do like the updated apartment tour, like, I'm gonna have all my clothes hung up and everything. So let me turn this light off because gotta save money for the bills. I pay the bills. I'm by myself. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's the closet right there. I think that's just about it, really. Honestly, I think that's it, really, bro. Like this is my favorite place. Like y'all gonna see a lot of my videos gonna be right here in the kitchen. Especially on my Reese Archive channel, bro. Yeah, I got some shit lined up. Y'all gonna see some vibes. Over here, we're gonna do some talks. Got some interviews lined up. I got some shit lined up, bro. But this is the end of the apartment tour right here. But the biggest thing I just want to say is, bro, none of this would be possible without God, first off, and y'all. And I just want to say thank y'all so much. I wouldn't have been able to make this move because first off, and also I'm going to be doing a separate video about how much it took for me to move and maybe like how much should you guys look to save up to move out of your hometown, because I'm not gonna lie, like it wasn't an easy process and it wasn't a cheap process. But like I said, through the gracious of God and you guys, bro, showing up for me every single day, watching the channel, bro, things like this is possible. And I'm grateful, bro. Like maybe something like this, it might not be big to y'all, but where I'm from, gang, like this shit means something to me. Like this is everything. I'm the youngest in my family, and I'm the first person to like take that risk to even like try to come out here. So I'm grateful, bro. And it's only up from here. I'm gonna continue to keep posting, bro. Continue to keep doing what got me here. Stay humble, stay disciplined, and just enjoy life, bro. Like I feel like in the place I'm at right now, like I'm kind of like I'm in the suburbs basically. So I just get a lot of time to myself to just work on my craft and just work. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not getting distracted or anything. But yeah, I ain't gonna talk y'all ears off though. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get back to work. I just wanted to show y'all what I got going on at the department tour. Hopefully y'all like it. Let me know down in the comment section if this was a W. That's my dog eating down there. But hey, let me know what y'all think about the apartment. So y'all know I love this. I know I love y'all even more. And remember, anything is possible if you put your mind to it. Hey, skate.